Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi TV 4S and I'll show you how we can open recovery mode in this device. So at first we have to turn off our TV. Let's make it right now. Next step, we have to remove cable from the electricity. So let's make it right now. Okay, I did it. As you can see, the cable is right here in my hand and we have to wait for like 10 seconds. After that, we will grab our remote control and we have to make the buttons combination. We have to click OK button and the back button at the same time for a few seconds. We have to keep them until TV enter recovery mode. Of course, when we start pressing these two buttons, we have to plug our TV back to the electricity. So I think that it's even more than 10 seconds. Let's click this button, OK button and back button right now on our remote control at the same time and keep holding them. So click and hold and put this cable back to the electricity. Okay, and right now you have to keep holding the buttons. Sorry for that sounds, I have to go under the desk to make it happen. Keep holding. And now release. As you can see, we are in the Android recovery mode of our Xiaomi Mi TV 4S. So here we can make, for example, the wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, or for example, you can just power off this mode. This method works on most of the Xiaomi devices. So it works also on Xiaomi Mi TV P1, Xiaomi Mi TV 4A, and probably on any of the other devices. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.